For a while, I've been working with modal music, thinking about how to bring it into a contemporary music context and where the overlap might be with traditional styles, particularly as it comes to microtones. One approach I used is to start out by looking at the diatonic scale and ask what makes this a unique collection of pitches, and can I transport its properties to a quarter tone space. That led me to develop this 9-note quarter tone scale that I've used in several compositions. What I've done in this improvisation is I've taken a transformation of that scale, starting on C sharp and rotating it 3 degrees. That gives me a collection of pitches which then become the basis of two different modes, one centered on D flat and the second centered on C quarter flat, 3/4 tones lower. When the drone shifts, I still have access to the same vertical intervals, which we could think of as traditional consonances, a major third and a perfect fifth, as well as extended consonances, like what I call the slim seventh, the flatted seventh that resembles the seventh partial, and the wide fourth that resembles the 11th partial. Meanwhile, notice how the function of each pitch changes with respect to the drone, even though the pitches themselves remain the same, with one exception. This allows each mode to have its own flavor, while also developing its own vocabulary of gestures and phrases. I can play all these pitches on my Farfisa Matador transistor organ, which has 12 different oscillators that can be tuned independently. It also has a feature called slalom, which allows me to pitch bend with a pedal, and I've tuned the pitch bend to 3/4 tones.